Welcome to the first inspiration to get started in glaze. Each short video gives you a snippet of a step-by-step painting process, inspired by one of the artworks from our app's collections. This inspiration is from Three Graces with Sun and Plants by Mary Finlayson, a brightly colored still life of an intimate interior space with books, potted plants, flowers, and patterned wallpaper. The artwork comes from Stanford Children's Hospital's art collection. In this tutorial, you will explore shape, pattern, color mixing, and a variety of brushes. To start, find the painting in the app, in the competition section, or under Stanford Children's Hospital in the museum section, and open the sketch. Paint a flower shape with smooth, continuous circling movements. Don't try to be perfect, it's all about the flow. Use ultramarine blue to paint the pot, stem, and leaves. Notice how changing the stylus pressure using the Sobol medium brush can help paint teardrop-shaped leaves. Add pattern. Paint white zebra stripes on the pot and add a pattern to the petals. Now mix color by glazing. Pick a larger brush and use diluted geranium, red over white and yellow to create pink and orange. Add small dots with dabbing movements and build texture on the wallpaper using the hog brush. Finished? I hope this inspires you to paint your own composition of flowers using shapes and patterns. I'll open a new canvas and try my own version using these steps. Thank you for watching and paint away.